What is up, guys? It is that time we've all been waiting for, Mustang Week 2025. It is currently Friday, about 11 a.m. in the morning. The car right there, all packed, ready to go. Got little man right there, ready to go. Just waiting for the wife to get out here, gonna get some gas, and heading to Virginia tonight. Gonna try to meet up with Derek and all those guys to finish the route going down in the morning tomorrow to Myrtle Beach. So yeah, it's clean, it's ready to go. He's excited. It's gonna be a good time. Follow us as we do Mustang Week 2025. Well, we just got gas. We're somewhere in Pennsylvania. I think honestly we're probably getting close to Maryland state line. Wife's inside, little man's inside washing his hands. What is up, guys? See the car back there? We made it to just outside Richmond last night. Got a hotel. Now we're at Target here waiting for a bunch of Mustangs to show up for 9 a.m. to finish the drive to Myrtle Beach for Mustang Week. The wife, as usual, is inside Target. She's got little man in there with her because we can't go ever to the States without my wife spending a fortune inside Target. Anyway, as you can see, car's back there. I'm the only one here yet because they're not coming for another 45 minutes, but we're getting there. Well, all the cars are here. We're getting ready to head out. A lot of really nice cars. I'll be in the car in a minute, hon. Well, we're in North Carolina, getting fuel. Everybody's around here somewhere. Joel's way down there. Brandon, Derek, Jake, they're all here somewhere. A lot of nice cars here, though. Including that thing. That's beautiful. And it is warm as hell. Fucking love it. Love this weather. Well, we've made it to Myrtle Beach. Raining a little bit, but it's only Saturday. Mustang Week doesn't officially start until Monday, so we'll grab our hotel for the night, so we'll check into our condo until tomorrow. Meet up with Randall and Amber, and then go get some food. Well, this butthead's watching TV or sleeping. It's either been watching TV or sleeping. Shut up. Even he's been up longer than she has. We are currently at the hangout. Gonna get some food. A lot of shit going on right now. Waiting to get a drink and then wait for a reservation, which is in an hour. Guys, it is currently 8:45 in the morning. It's Sunday. Mustang Week officially starts tomorrow. However, there will be some unofficial pop-up meets here and there around town. The sun is shining. It was, I can get this damn curtain open. As you can see, it is nice out. It was raining briefly yesterday. Looking good today. Our cars need to get cleaned up. The wife's downstairs getting little man some breakfast. We're gonna head out shortly to get some Starbucks. We're in just a temporary hotel because we don't get our condo till later this afternoon. We got Amber, Randall beside us. We're gonna go all wash all three of our Mustangs, get some breakfast for us. Kids are getting breakfast now, and see what's happening around town. So, gonna finish getting ready and get out to the cars and head out. Look at this redneck clown trying to hide from the video. His nice slammed car on bags. Those rims, they'll probably be on this car before we leave. This guy thinking he's all hot and cool and shit. Turbo car, airbags. Randall finishing up his car. Amber doing hers. Mine's just about done. Wife back there with the kids. Use my trusty Tough Towel. Now I'm going to use my gun to get the water out of the hard to reach places. Well, cars are washed. Amber's just finishing up her car right now, as you can see back there. We're gonna get some Starbucks and then start our day at Mustang week. It is beautiful out. It is hot as hell. Randall's got his going out attire on. And wife is looking pretty damn good. All right, guys, we are at our condo, just checking in. This place is gorgeous, but I forgot my key. All right, guys, this is our condo. Let me switch the camera around. My beautiful wife back there in the kitchen where she belongs.
Hey.
So this is our kitchen. Basic laundry, but pretty nice kitchen. Very beautiful cook. Dining room, living room, TV. Wife's back there slamming doors for whatever reason. This is where we make our children. Nice big soaker tub. Shower. You know, regular bathroom stuff.
Yeah.
And that's our view off of our balcony. There's a huge water park here and stuff that we're going to check out after, but we just got here, so we gotta unload the car yet. I think little man's gonna like it here. What do you think, bud? You think it's gonna be nice?
You haven't even seen the park or the Lazy Susan or the
Lazy River? Lazy Susan. See, told you. She is born to be in a kitchen. She's thinking Lazy River and she said Lazy Susan.
Shut up.
Time for her to cook. But anyway, that's this is our condo. So we're staying for the next 7 days here for Mustang week. Again, this is still Sunday, so Mustang week doesn't start till tomorrow, but there is a car event tonight that we might hit up with Amber and Randall once we get settled in. So we're gonna get our luggage and all that fun stuff inside here and get unpacked and then meet back up with them.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
And this.
Yeah.
Which I will be going.
Yeah, wait till you see the pirate ship.
I do not know where the pirate ship is.
Way over there.
I cannot see. I don't want to.
Water slide over there for all of us. Lazy River.
Pirate ship.
Pirate ship for little man.
Where is the pirate ship? I got you. Where is the pirate ship?
Well, we're at Dave & Buster's just off Broadway. Small little meet going on. But it's a nice cars, but there's a hell of a lot of cops in here trying to shut it down because people are doing dumbass shit. Well, they kicked us out of the parking lot, so we went and did some shopping, spent some money. There's a few people tagging around, but they didn't. The police came, kicked us all out. But this car looks like somebody's had a bad day. That sucks. Must have hit a dock. Nice GT500 right here.
Well, buddy,
I think our cars are over there.
hold up to the car.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
You could get one.
Sucks that they kicked us out, but whatever. There's other places to go.
I mean, she can't.
Well, that's it for today. The wife's inside one of these stores here buying pool stuff for tomorrow morning. that's Saturday. Well, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all in one video. Mustang week officially starts tomorrow. The kickoff party's at 4 p.m. So we'll be there. Probably get there around 3 so I can get good parking. But other than that, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. What do you say, Cohen?
Stay weird.
Later.